Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to learn that how we can talk in English with our friends and family. मेरी शादी करा दो, get me married. What do you lose? तुम्हारा क्या जाता है? सब्र से काम लो, be patient. Where had you been? कहाँ रह गए थे आप? I have no clue at all. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता. Don't be stubborn. ज़िद्दी ना बनो. Here you go. ये रहा, ये लीजिए. Where were we? हम कहाँ थे? Whenever you are talking about something और भूल जाएं तो then you can use this sentence. They ignore her. वो उसे नज़रअंदाज करते हैं. Never heard that before. मैंने कभी नहीं सुना, मतलब ऐसा कभी नहीं सुना. Don't criticize others. दूसरों पर तनकीद ना करो. मुझे भूख लग रही है. I am feeling hungry. My phone's dead. मेरा फ़ोन बंद हो गया है. She is too sharp. वो बहुत तेज़ है. Where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? So thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to learn more words, so just subscribe my channel.